I'm going to show you how to reset your Amazon Echo first generation. So first thing you want to do, flip it upside down. The reset button is on top. It's actually right there. So just straight from the where you insert the power cord, and you're going to want to push it down. You can hear a little click. Use a paper clip, and it's telling me that it's now I can let go. And so this process takes about roughly minute and 45 seconds. And so you'll just see the blue light swirling around for about a minute and 45 seconds. Then we'll hear Alexa say hello, and right before that, an orange ring will light up. So bear with me for a minute and we'll get this thing reset. This is good if you need to do troubleshooting with it, if you've gotten some problems and you want to reset it, or if you simply just want to sell it and upgrade, or you're just done with Alexa. So the ring is still spinning. Probably have another 45 seconds of this. I could tell you some jokes, but I don't know any that are funny. So maybe we better just watch the light. And you can just use any standard paper clip. I just bent the end, insert it. Okay. Looks like we are finished.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Thanks for watching.